We'll guide you through how to fix can't hear anyone on Discord. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in Discord, so perhaps you're finding that you can't go and hear anyone. We're going to guide you through how you can try fixing this. This problem can be annoying as perhaps you're trying to go and have a conversation with somebody and you can't because you can't go and hear them. So we're going to guide you through some different fixes you can try in order to go about this. Make sure this is full video and don't go and skip anything, as you may go and miss the method that's going to go and resolve the problem for you. So without any further ado, let's go and dive into this. To get started, I'm just going to leave this call here. Now this is actually a voice channel in a server, but it applies whether this is happening within a server or a call, it doesn't matter. Now what you first of all want to do is we're going to quickly come out of Discord. You want to come to the bottom right of your computer and go and find the sound or speaker icon, right click on and press sound settings. Alternatively, you can just go and open up your settings and press system, then find sound. First of all, make sure the output is set correctly here. So make sure it's set to your speakers or headphones. Come down and try making sure that the volume is not set to 0 and that it's not muted. So you can go and click on this here to go and unmute it. And hopefully then you can come and return to Discord and the problem's solved. If it still isn't, what you want to do is go and right click on the sound again in the bottom right and you want to go and press open volume mixer. Now come into apps and you want to try increasing this here if it's set to 0. Of course, make sure it's not muted. I've got multiple here, so I'll do that for both of them. These are both set to 100, which is fine though. Then what you can do is come and close out of it and come into Discord. Come to the bottom left and go and press user settings, the gear cog icon. Scroll down on the left and you want to go and find voice and video. Now you can scroll all the way down to the bottom and you want to go and find reset all voice and video settings and confirm your decision. Discord is going to go and load like this. Then you want to come to the bottom left and come back to user settings. Scroll down again and you want to go and find voice and video. Now you want to make sure that the speaker is set correctly. So click there, choose your correct speakers. Make sure your speaker volume is turned up. It should be because it was just reset, but make sure you go and turn it up to 100%. Then what you can do is come out of here and come back to the call and hopefully now you can hear them. Now, if you still can't, what you want to do is on this screen here, you need to go and right click on the different people and you want to go and make sure they're not muted first of all, so unmute them if they are. And also what you can do is make sure their user volume is turned up. I'm going to go and change this to 100, set on 0, and now I can go and hear them. So try turning up their user volume and hopefully that will solve it. If it still doesn't, do just make sure it's not happening on their side. Make sure their mic's definitely working and you've tested with other people, but it could just be a problem with the person you're trying to talk to. Hope that helped this video, you managed to go and solve the problem. Leave a like if you found this useful.